Hello friends, welcome to Thursday. Today's going to be super quick and easy. I am making a wine butler. It has been forever since I touched this mold. I'm sorry I have neglected you. But anyway, I'm going to be using in this mold some new glitters that I got. I got these from Resin. And they are stunning, you guys. So stunning. Really reasonably priced as well. So, before we get started on pouring that, let me show you the goodness. Okay. So, some of these are for their Halloween, which I believe are at the back. So, I ordered, they had a Halloween kit, and then they had a sample kit of their glitters. So I did Halloween and then the sample, I think, of most of their glitters that they offer. This one is holographic black and it is so gorgeous. If my camera will focus, thank you. So gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna try and run through these pretty quickly. So we have, this is holographic rose red. I have holographic hazy pink, holographic light purple, holographic pink, holographic silver, yes, which is probably my favorite because it's just, oh, stunning. Holographic gold. Let's see. Holographic red. So this is different than the other red. It's a little bit lighter in shade, you can see. Holographic orange, or holographic copper. Very nice. So these greens are different colors. We got green and then grass green. Beautiful. Actually, this is probably my favorite because blue is my favorite color. So this is holographic teal green, but to me, it looks more blue than it does green. These are holographic deep blue and sea blue. This is holographic purple. This is 3, 4, and 5 millimeter mixed 4 pointed stars holographic black. Oh my god, look at that sparkle. Oh. Okay, this one is their holographic fine glitter. And I think we might be getting into, this must be the Halloween set. Okay, so we have holographic copper, which I already showed because it was in that. This is holographic black. This is the holographic black and fine glitter. Very pretty. This one, oh, it says it's a gift. FC322. It doesn't really say like a name on it, but it's really beautiful pearl color. This one is also a gift. Doesn't have a name on it, but it's a really pretty, like, mermaid pink. This one is mixed fluorescent purple high brightness glitter. And there's like a touch of blue and green in there when I move it. Love it. This one is mixed fluorescent orange high brightness glitter. Look how bright that is. Goodness gracious, it's blinding me. It's so pretty. This one's really cool too. This is mixed fluorescent reddish orange high brightness. So vibrant. Of course the camera is doing it no justice. Fluorescent green high brightness. Fluorescent green high brightness glitter. I guess it's like a lighter green. This is mixed holographic purple. And then this is probably my favorite. This is why I ordered the Halloween set. Holographic bats, you guys. Oh, I can't wait to play with these come Halloween. Oh, I'm so stoked for that. So, I don't know what color I want to go with for this. Let me thumb through these real quick. I think I do want to go with some black. Should I throw silver in there too? Black and silver? That would be kind of cool. Yeah, let's do that. So, black and silver. So, what I'm going to do is let my resin sit for a bit before I put the glitter in there. So that way the glitter doesn't fall straight to the face and kind of stays suspended a bit. So I've got my resin heating up now. And we will be back to pour the wine Butler. Quick and easy. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, friends, it's all cured. I'm so excited. I can tell just looking at this that the glitters did stay suspended in it. So that's great. I was really worried about it all falling, you know, down to the bottom. So, let's go ahead and get this thing out. It is still a little bit bendy, but again, this is the Dr. Crafty, and our house is very cold, so it stays that way for a little while. But there we go. Look how sparkly. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. So gorgeous. I will be finishing this off with silver around the edges and on the inside. But yeah, this is absolutely stunning. I'm going to see if I can show you. Yeah, you can see that the glitter did not fall straight to the bottom, that it is suspended in it. And it is just, oh, it's chef's kiss. It is so gorgeous. So yeah, that's the quick and easy video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave it a like. It makes me smile and it helps out the algorithm gods. Also, if you like content like this, stick around by clicking that subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. I will see you guys on Tuesday, where I am making Dominoes. And no, I don't mean the pizza. Take care, guys.